And we're back to learn CapCut in a year, day 7. Let me show you how I can change the image duration. So here's a simple JPEG. Click on the plus sign, it's added to my timeline. And if I roll the clip, obviously nothing changes. So it's not a clip that rolls, it's simply an image. And the default duration of it is 3 seconds. And again, you can see that here with these turquoise and white numbers. So how can we make that longer? We don't have a speed up option. As I've said, it's not a clip, it can't roll. Therefore, we cannot speed it up or slow it down. And what you can easily do is you can simply left click at the end, your cursor will change and then drag it. So if I want to make that 5 seconds, I'll drag it up to here. Let's say you want to make that a specific duration, so maybe around 10 seconds. Try to eyeball it here, but if I go to the end, you can see it's only 9 seconds and 29 frames. To make it exactly 10, just exceed your image here a little bit. Let me drag that to 11. Then I place my slider to exactly 10 seconds, 0 frames. So this is the turquoise number now. And now I resize the image with the left click drag until it snaps to my slider. And now I know my image has exactly 10 seconds. What if you want to make an image smaller, so the duration, for example, just 2 seconds? It's the same way. Just drag your slider to 2 seconds, 0 frames. To reposition the slider frame by frame, just use the arrow keys on your keyboard to left and right. And now I simply split it here, and then I delete the excess part. Now my image has 2 seconds and not a single frame more. And this is how I can change the duration of an image in CapCut. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.